Ike, where are you, man?
Hello.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm gonna unbox
Okay.
these toys.
All right. Which toy is that? I can't see.
Rescue
Whoa.
Blue.
Wow. Okay, cool, man. What are you gonna open first?
We're gonna open the figure first.
Okay.
You know why I bought the figure? Why the figure?
Why?
Because
Oh.
that
Ike, can you go behind the thing?
when I saw
Thank
the
you.
Jeep at Toys R Us,
Yes.
there was no figure.
There was no figure. There was no action figure there. So which one did you choose? Which action figure did you choose? Can you show the camera?
Yeah, the soldier.
The soldier. Can you hold it up to the camera? This is Jurassic World. Let me see. What does it say? Which soldier is that?
I don't know.
You can read it.
I don't see the name.
Here. What does it say? Dinosaur.
Try.
Tray what? Train.
Train.
Read it.
Source.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaur trainer.
Dinosaur trainer.
Okay, cool. All right. So you gonna open up that first, or you gonna open up the Jeep?
We're opening this out first.
Okay. Okay. Let me see. So where are we right now?
What?
Where are we now?
We're at our Airbnb upstairs again.
Upstairs in the upper loft. Cool.
This was very recorded. This.
Come back here. I can't see you. Okay. So can you show me what you got? Oh, there's the dinosaur trainer. Let me see.
It's pretty like those.
Okay. Look, this is Chris Pratt. No, is that? No, maybe not. Okay. And it's got fully articulated, right? Is that how they say it? With the knees that can bend. And the elbows that can bend also. Okay. So that's pretty cool. You're really working on that thing, huh? Now, is it well packaged? Or is it hard to deal with? Do you like the packaging?
Yeah.
Okay, so you think it works well? Okay.
It doesn't say how do you put those armors on.
The armor? Oh, you have to figure that out on your own? You sure there are no instructions? Sometimes they have illustrations that show you how to, what things go where.
Well, I know this goes.
Can I see the box?
Yeah, the box doesn't have any of this.
Let me see the back.
The back is just like shows you
More toys.
the people.
Okay.
I don't know what the.
Well, and I'm sure this stuff should not be difficult to put on. I mean, like, that's a helmet.
No, it's not. It's a.
It's not it's not a helmet. Sorry, it's a chest plate. Okay. Oh, yeah, you can think you got it. I mean, there's
I think. Oh, it shows you.
there's a picture, right? Doesn't the picture point out how things come together?
I think it's supposed to be like this.
Okay. On the leg, you sure? I think it'll be on the arms. Can I see the packaging? Pass it to me, man. Just give me.
I got the right character for a Jeep.
Okay. The right character for the Jeep. Okay. This is supposed to have a baby blue? No.
Oh, yeah. Or maybe it really does go on the. Where did it go? It's so hard.
Okay, let me have a quick look. I'll pause, okay? Okay, so you got all this stuff on. What are those? Are those for the legs or for the arms?
Yeah, I didn't know. I just put them on.
Yeah, I think they're for the forearms. And what is that you're holding there? Is that some kind of a shield?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. And the packaging does not give us a good indication of what it's about.
And now,
This works.
the biggest one you're gonna open.
Okay, now you're ready to do the other one. Okay.
And I think he puts that shield over here.
Okay. All right. So what is this? What you got here?
It's a G.
JP18.
Oh, one of the arms doesn't go. I got the right character.
You got the right character. You're right. He's the right color. Good
No,
guess.
actually, yeah. This arm doesn't go on.
Okay.
So
This is called the Jeep Wrangler Rescue Net.
he only puts one of this on.
Okay. All right.
Cause look on the back.
Oh, let me see. Can you go stand back over there, please? Okay. Here you go. Oh, stand over there, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that how we do it? Come on, man. Figure it out. So then how you can take it apart.
Oh,
Oh. There you go. What'd you see there? What did you see there?
opening one.
Okay, you saw perforated lines, the dashed lines that tell you that you could probably push them apart right where the lines are. Okay, you're working on it. Okay, there you go. So you should be able to loosen that without too much difficulty. Cool, that was easy. Oh, the other one. Okay. Hi, can you face the other way? Yeah, we can see you. No, go back over on the table, man. Okay, and face this way. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Just like a twist.
I don't know.
Let me know if you want me to give you a hand, okay?
Okay.
Okay, alright, hold on a second. Okay, you're still working on it. Okay, take it out. Look, what's right over here? Get behind the orange thing again so I can see it.
Ah, that's what it's for.
Okay.
Here, got it out, but we just need a scissor.
Scissor, okay. Okay, well, wait. Don't. Whoa, whoa, you sure? Okay. Can I help you with that?
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Okay, so now we see that yellow thing is a catapult sitting on a rubber band. So you just kind of push down on the rubber band and then it'll catapult. And then those red things are...
Cutting again.
Okay, alright, let me help you out.
Sure.
It looks like a pterodactyl. Right? Where's the Jeep? Can you show me? Oh, you still have to open the net. So this net gets catapulted over. Hey, you want to say goodbye?
Bye, stay in touch, and don't forget to subscribe. And watch us next time.
Okay, and then what? Don't forget
Click
to
the bell.